All right, today's trick is ninite.com. It's a website you should know. It is one of those what type of websites that actually makes everything easy to install. It has all kinds of interesting things, web browsers that maybe you want to add on to your Windows machine. Maybe you want to add on a media player. VLC, very good. Plays all kinds of stuff that Windows Media Player will not play, or the app that of course Windows comes with that has also a player on it too. I think it's called Movie or something along those lines. You also have security features over here. Let's say for some reason you don't want to use Windows security, you can use one of these other ones. I do recommend Malwarebytes, having it on your computer, and I do recommend that you actually paying for it. It's worth every single penny. Now, let's look at the other things that this has over here. It has utilities that are actually very good to have on here. I use TeamViewer every once in a while. That's actually a very good thing to have. A lot of people use the real VNC, which is the same type of thing. It's how you get into remote computers easily. It's fast, simple, easy to use. There are a lot of other different type of things on here. Maybe you get something called a zip file or a RAR file, RAR file, and you want to open it up. Again, you can download that and it'll install it for you all simply. I'm going to run through the process here and just pretend that I don't have something. So I'm going to look through here and I'm going to say, what should I pick? What should I pick? Well, let's see here. Let's say I need Notepad++. So I'm going to click Get Your Ninite. I click on that. It'll download. It'll ask me to save. I click Save. I'm going to now click Open Ninite. It's going to prepare the setup. And watch how easy this is. It's going to say, yes, I do want to allow that. And so it's going to download my Ninite. It's downloading it right now. So nice, quick, and simple. Next step, it's going to install it on its own. That's it. It's finished. Now, congratulations. I have Notepad++ on my computer. So, this very simply, this is actually one of those type of things, one of those websites that you should be having in your bookmarks. If you need something from Ninite, something simple, maybe you need, just something on here that's easy. One of these applications, they got plenty of free ones, including GIMP, which is the alternative to Photoshop, or Inkscape, which is the alternative to Illustrator. You may want to try this out and see what you can do. It's an easy installation process, makes everything no fuss, no muss, and it installs it, and automatically you don't have to click next, next, next. It just does it on its own. And that today is your friendly tip from me, John, at Follow the Tech. Thanks for watching, and also please subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much. Have a great day.